like noodles a lot out here.
有点急。
So Colombia by far, right? So far.
Colombia is top tier.
So you told me you was out here like, I barely see the ugly people. Even the old ones, yo, everybody's bad. So everybody look good, up to par.
Yeah. And it's like the natural beauty.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
That natural sunlight, the walking, you know what I mean?
Okay. Yeah. In the Philippines, it's hot.
Same thing, right?
Same thing, bro. What's that? How? Where? How? Yeah, we came from here already. What the hell? How we doing? What city? What's the name of the city again? Wat Chai?
Yeah.
Chawa?
Chawa.
We in the city of Wat Chai or Chawa?
Why you say hi? I see, yo, it's like a bar over there, something like game up there. What's going on? What's up with this? A little action going on over there.
Oh, it's billiards.
Yeah, yo, you wanna play some pool?
Let's check it. Let's check it out. I think that's that only spot that's like live and kicking.
Yeah.
Ain't nothing out here.
What the action's down there, boy? Where the baddies is at, boy? Where the
Oh
baddies
yeah, so we went. Yeah, we could just go left. I'm gonna go grab bottled water from 7-Eleven. So I got one for the telly, you know.
You want no noodles before you leave? Back to the crib.
Another one. Hey.
People's up in here, bro. Pretty good. Alright. They get money
Hong
out
Kong
here.
got money, man.
They get money out here, bro.
I see you.
Too bad, right?
I see you, right?
She's good, right?
Excuse me.
Oh, really? And then everything goes. Oh, very nice. Yeah, that's really golden brown. Oh, really? That's very nice. Good, good. Anyway, thank you very much. I'll see you guys soon. Yeah.
Have a best fun for you.
Thank you. Yeah. Enjoy.
It's gonna get regular water, man. Yeah. Yo, you ever had these? Your Cokes?
Nah, what's that?
It's pretty good, man. It's like probiotics.
What's it like?
It's probiotics.
What it
Pretty
tastes
good.
like?
It's good. It's like milky.
Like a nutriment type of thing?
Yeah, but it's good.
I'll try. I'll take your word. It's not bad.
You want boat water too? Oh, you're good.
Yo, tell you what, this is crazy out here, man.
Hello.
Hello. You take Apple Pay?
Okay, Visa and Master.
All right.
That's tough.
What? Visa and Master.
Visa. It's good, right? What you think?
No,
It's good.
decent,
It's good.
decent,
It's
yeah,
good. It's
decent,
good. It's
decent.
good. It's good.
Yeah, it's in the Philippines.
Yeah. Probiotics. Watch out. Watch out. Look, another Tesla.
Money out here.
Are you hungry?
I'm good. You look good at the food, so you like. You want some, bro?
I
Don't be
might.
shy. Some noodles, bro. Put a kebab on there. You be good.
That's cool. Nah, I don't want to eat too much, man.
You know what? We should have came back out here this time, bro. We should stay in the hotel, sleep, and woke up and come back out here this time, bro. It's
That's
action out
it.
here right now.
Yeah. Not for nothing. This is my first time in a Tesla. No noise.
Big ass screen in the front.
This could drive it on its own. You know that, right?
I know. How long does it ride? Like 3 minutes, right?
No.
How long is that? Like 20?
I don't know. Good question. Yeah, about 25. Oh,
Yeah, okay.
Yeah,
yes.
okay.
Okay.
Thank you very
Thank you
much.
very much. Bye,
Good night.